Hello, we are the Guyanese tribe. This is how we survived the jungle of Guyana. Next. During our flight, the plane was overheating and parts caught fire. The plane shut down, but we managed to grab a few things before the plane had crashed. Member number 1 showed the first aid kit, just in case someone got hurt, food packets just so everyone could eat, a sleeping bag just in case they got cold at night while they slept, and a toolkit just for spare. They're wearing a sweatshirt just in case they get cold, pants to cover up from fires, and shoes for walking long distances and not having to get sores. Next, member number 2 chose the poncho in case of the rain, a shovel to dig for groundwater, and a tent for shelter, and a water filter for making water suitable to drink. They're wearing a tank top just in case of the heat, a jacket in case it gets cold at night, and a swimsuit if they need to get into water to bathe or get water. Next, member number 3 also chose the first aid kit in case someone gets hurt, a pocket knife in case they need to kill or cut something. They also chose a rifle to kill animals or to get rescued. They're currently wearing a hoodie to stay warm and to camouflage, shorts to be able to run free, and socks to keep their feet warm. Next. These are all the things that we've learned since day 1 of being in Guyana. Map of jungle of Guyana. At over 87% forest cover, Guyana is one of the most heavily forested countries in South America. As part of the Guiana Shield, its forests play the key role in regulating rainfall across the entire Amazon basin. Next. As the day had gone by, we realized how different it was from day to night and how much the climate had changed. Guyana enjoys a wet tropical climate with warm temperatures and abundant rainfall without the extremes of hot or cold. At nighttime, in Georgetown, the capital of the country, as well as in the rest of Guyana, temperature range is relatively stable with 29 to 31 degrees Celsius. Thanks to its location just above the equator, Guyana has tropical climate. Temperatures are high with maximum temperatures around 30 to 31 degrees Celsius, almost all year round. Next, on day 2, we started to walk long distances and realized how different parts of the jungle of Guyana were. Guyana lies on the northern coast of South America. Its 285-mile coastline extends from Punta Playa, near the mouth of the Orinoco River, in the northwest to the Corentyne River in the east. Next, on day 2, we started to explore more and more of Guyana. We started to see all the animals that live there and their habitats and their ecosystems. One of the animals that live there is the red-bellied piranhas, live in lakes and rivers in South America. They sometimes use their mighty mouths to gobble up other fish or animals such as shrimp, worms, and mollusks. They swim and hunt in shoals or schools that can include more than 100 individuals. According to the legends, the animals, which can grow about 14 inches long, have even devoured human swimmers, so we have to be protected and safe. The black caiman is a species of large crocodile, and along with the American alligator, is one of the largest extant members of the family. It is a carnivore reptile that lives among slow-moving rivers, lakes, seasonally flooded savannas of the Amazon basin, and in other freshwater habitats of South America. Next. On day 2, we soon found shelter. We used a tent as our shelter and a sleeping bag just so we could be able to sleep nice and comfortable without having to get cold in the middle of the night. We used food packets for everyone since we have nothing else to eat in the jungle. We also used the river water to filter our water to drink. Next, on day 2 of more of exploring, we saw how much the jungle had to offer. Guyana's mineral heritage includes deposits of semi-precious stones, kaolin, silica sand, soapstone, kyanite, feldspar, mica, element, laterite, manganese radioactive minerals, copper and molybdenum. Guyana may have critical minerals present, but these are yet to be confirmed. Next, on day 3, we soon found Georgetown, the capital of Guyana, the country's chief port. Georgetown lies on the Atlantic Ocean at the mouth of the Dniepr River. We managed to reach Georgetown in 3 days. Next,